all I'm saying. I'm gonna in the shade. You wanna come with me? All I can do is keep trying, bro.
Never gonna hurt you try.
Like yesterday, bro, he's catching them left or not out. God dang, bro.
There's fish right here. Just have
That's the ground, bro. I'm telling you.
not it's warm like that.
Trashy here. I don't know. I think they do release chemicals in here, or sewage water, or something bad. Because a couple years ago, bro, I was catching them out here. That or it just gets overfished and they took the fish out and killed them. You know what I mean? Like random people. Got one. I got a bass. No, I got a crappie. I'm jumping in the water. I got a crappie. Look at that, boys. Look at that beautiful filet mignon. Oh my Lord. Caught straight out of that polluted water. Oh, fricker. Look at that. Ask your dad.
That is a huge crappie right there. Look at that.
Calm down. You're going back in the water.
That is,
Can you lip him?
yeah. Look at that crappie right there. That is pretty crazy. Hold him up. Look at that.
Let's go, boys.
Beautiful fish.
Take my picture. Ah!
Beautiful, beautiful fish. Well done, Hunter. Well,
We know there's fish in here.
we do know that there's fish in here. This is probably the most inactive pond I've ever seen. So
Maybe it's just crappie in here.
yeah,
I call him
he's
crappie.
bleeding from the eye. Get him back in there. That was a huge crappie. Congrats. You got him right here, right?
Yeah,
I'm curious. Crappie do bite. They do bite food.
yeah. I gotta get him back in, boys. But, yeah. Here we go.
That's probably what was hitting me over there.
Catch and release. Catch and release right here.
That is pretty crazy. Well, that's pretty crazy.
Time to say goodbye. There he goes, back off.